Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I have found myself really missing those old cleaning routine videos that I fell in love with when I first discovered the cleaning niche on YouTube years ago. You know, the ones that were anywhere from 7 to 15 minutes long. They started out jumping straight into daily cleaning tasks, and they were jam-packed with tons of speed cleaning motivation. So by the time the video ended, I just felt so motivated and encouraged to tackle my day. The YouTube algorithm doesn't favor those videos anymore, and so not many YouTubers are creating them. Watch time is king in the current algorithm, and not just YouTube but all social media, because social media is a business and those businesses are all competing for our time and our energy. So this means longer and longer videos, more vlog clips to boost engagement, and less speed cleaning so that YouTubers can stretch their content to fill the minutes. I am a YouTuber, obviously, so I totally understand how and why that has become necessary, but as a viewer, it has become a bit frustrating. Now don't get me wrong, occasionally I love myself a 30 to 40 minute cleaning video, but most days I don't have 3 or more hours to dedicate to watching all of the most recent uploads from all of my favorite YouTubers. So I have to pick and choose, and I don't really like to do that. As a viewer, I most appreciate the videos that are less demanding of my time, 15 minutes or less, and get me pumped up to tackle my to-do list. I found myself rewatching some of my old favorites, especially Lauren Midgley's daily cleaning routine videos from like 4 or 5 years ago, because there just isn't enough recent content that meets my needs. I was watching one of those older videos the other day, and it dawned on me that I can't be the only one feeling this way, so I decided to make one of those OG cleaning videos that I miss so much. If you are someone who feels the same as I do, I hope that this video is reaching you and that it leaves you feeling refreshed and motivated for your day. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, because a 14-minute video is going to need all of the engagement it can get, since the YouTube algorithm isn't going to like it. So while I have called this a daily cleaning routine or a cleaning routine video, I did want to clarify that what you are seeing me do in this video isn't necessarily what I do every single day. For me, the routine portion is that I do complete cleaning tasks every single day to help keep up my household. But those tasks vary depending on the day of the week, what's going on, and what needs to be cleaned in the moment. I am not someone who is personally organized enough or excels at time management in a way that I can have the same tasks that I am completing every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, and be dedicated to that type of routine. That is just not conducive to my lifestyle and the current season of life that I am in. But if you are one of those types of people, more power to you. I am so envious. But for me, like I said, I pretty much just clean what I see needs to be cleaned every single day, and that's what my daily cleaning routine looks like. But one thing is for sure, that there are always dishes in the sink. The countertops always need to be wiped down, and there is a constant mountain of laundry that is just lurking in the corner, waiting for me to get it done. Every time I show my produce bin on camera, I always get a ton of questions asking where I got it from. It's not supposed to be a produce bin as far as I know. It's called a chicken wire wall shelf, but I just leave it on my countertop. I use it for produce and decor, and I absolutely love it. I did find it at Hobby Lobby, and I find that it is really difficult to find it in stores because it is a highly sought after, kind of elusive item in the Hobby Lobby world. But it is almost always available on the Hobby Lobby website. So I will leave a link down in the description box in case you are wanting one or interested in checking it out. And if you click that link and you see that it is full price, wait a few days, come back next week, click the link again, and it will probably be 50% off, because Hobby Lobby does alternate their sales weekly. If you don't know, I am currently in my oldest daughter's bedroom. Her name is Kinsley, and I recently shared a room makeover where I completely transformed her space. I opened it up quite a bit and added in a dedicated homeschool area just so that we could make it a bit more functional to suit her current needs and the current season of life that she is in. I also wanted to create a more cohesive aesthetic for her, something that really spoke to her current taste and what she was wanting her room to be. Now, I did film that and share it here on YouTube already, so if you haven't seen that video, definitely make sure that you check it out when you're done with this one. Personally, I think it's a great video, and I'm really proud of what I was able to do in this space for her. But one of the things that I forgot to do in that video was to switch out the hardware on her nightstands. So we use her nightstands as clothing storage. Kinsley has the smallest bedroom in the house, and there's not a ton of room to add in a lot of furniture like a dresser, and so we kind of have to be creative with the limited space that we have, and we use her nightstands as dresser drawers. But she had the original hardware on them from whenever these nightstands were made. I found them on Facebook Marketplace and refinished them, and we kind of wanted to update that a little bit and just, like I said, make it more cohesive with the aesthetic of the room. And so I found these beautiful ones from Hobby Lobby that I love and she loves, and I feel like they really complete this space. So we had gotten them in, and I wanted to go ahead and switch that out for her to have that finishing touch. And then another thing that I forgot to do in that video was to actually organize her homeschool space, specifically her desk drawer. So you will see me do that here in a minute as well. We went out to TJ Maxx, got a ton of organization bins just to try out what would work best for her in that space, and I am going to be organizing all of her hair care products like hair ties, her hairbrush, personal hygiene, as well as all of her makeup and all of her school supplies into that drawer, because like I said, she has limited space in this tiny room, and so we have to make the most of what we do have, and putting all of those items in her desk drawer just seemed like the best option for us at this time. If you have seen any kind of decor, furniture, bedding, anything throughout this video that you are interested in checking out or might want to purchase for yourself, then definitely make sure that you check out my description box. I do my very best to try to remember to link as many products that are shown on camera as possible that I think that you might be interested in. That way it's all there in one place for you. You can scroll through, find the item that you are looking for, and you have an easy link to take you to wherever you can purchase that item. Now, full disclosure, probably all of those links, or at least most of them, are going to be affiliate links. And just in case you are not familiar with what affiliate programs and affiliate links are, I did want to take an opportunity to explain them to you a little bit. So an affiliate link is when a YouTuber or an influencer has the opportunity to provide you with a link to a product or a retailer that you are interested in, and if you click on that link and then make a purchase, the YouTuber or influencer influencer will receive a small commission based on your purchase. Now, this does not cost you anything extra, not a single penny more. If an item is $20 in store, it is $20 on the website, it will be $20 with that affiliate link. The commission being paid to the influencer does not come directly out of your pocket. It's coming out of the retailer's profit margin for whatever items that you have purchased. This commission can be anywhere from 8 cents to a maximum of $2 on that $20 purchase, depending on the retailer and how the affiliate program is set up. And it's kind of like a thank you from the retailer to the influencer for advertising their products and driving traffic to their website and in-store purchases. Now, these commissions are small, but those small commissions add up over time and they can make a big difference for YouTubers and social media influencers, and they do allow us to continue creating content as a full-time job. So if you are someone who loves to support your favorite YouTubers by using their affiliate links, or if you are supporting me and my family through our affiliate links, I did want to take the opportunity to say thank you so much for supporting us in this way and for allowing us the opportunity to continue making content as a full-time job and make a full-time living at this. So thank you so much. But like I said, if you have seen any decor, furniture, anything throughout this video that you are interested in, definitely make sure that you check out my description box and see if I have a link for it. I started this video by picking up some dirty laundry in my bedroom and getting a load started in the washer, and so I'm going to finish up by tidying up around the rest of the room, and I absolutely intended to close out this video by pulling that load of laundry out of the dryer, folding it, and getting it all put away. But in true Loving Life is Megan fashion, I forgot about the laundry that was in the washer. It ended up sitting in there for far too long. I had to run it through a wash cycle again, and then was able to transfer it to the dryer where it sat for 2 or 3 days before I remembered and finally folded it and got it all put away. That is just me in a nutshell. That sums me up perfectly. It happens to me all the time, and it's why I am always buried under a mountain of laundry. But I know that it's relatable to a lot of you out there, and so I wanted to share it. If you are someone who also constantly forgets your laundry and you're running the same load in the washer 2 or 3 times before it makes it into the dryer where it sits for days or weeks at a time, I see you, I feel you, I am you. This is going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for being here today, for watching and hanging out with me. I hope that you feel super motivated and ready to tackle your day. If you're still looking for more motivation or you do enjoy those longer videos, I have a ton of them on my channel, so I'll leave a few linked on the screen and in the description box, and feel free to binge watch my channel to your heart's desire. But thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.